Hey guys, I got a hair dryer from the TikTok shop that I need to try out. Let me show you what comes in it. You got your traveling bag. You've got your attachments that are magnetic. You just pop it on and it will twist all the way around, or you can take it off and put it back on however you like. You've got your temperature settings here and your speed settings here. And when traveling or when you want to store it, it comes with this rubber tie back instead of like that Velcro one that we're all used to. All right, so let me just show you a little bit. I'm gonna dry just a little bit of my hair, not a whole lot, so just bear with me. Get my curl brush. Sounds good, don't it? Look at that. Well, this hair dryer dries really quick. And the brush just glides right through it. It feels really good. That's a win-win for me, guys. Go get you one.